about 150,000 joint customers that are working together with Oracle and HP, and we really appreciate the time we're going to have with you today to tell you about all the new things that we can help you with as we go forward. This is a pretty startling statistic. It basically says lots of people have problems with their data centers. By 2010, 1 out of 3 CIOs and CEOs realize that their data centers aren't going to be able to meet the demands that they have. And 51% today say they have an urgent need to transform and modernize their data center. And what this really means is that they need to go through a transformation process to get their infrastructure to a point where it can support the things they competitively need to be able to do with their business. They need a next generation data center. A big part of it is content explosion. The amount of digital content doubling every 18 months. And the amount of information over the next 5 years doubling what currently exists. This is putting huge strains on all of our IT infrastructures. This is a simple view of the portfolio that we have put together inside of HP. And as basic as it might sound, we really did start off with a customer set of needs that many of you were involved in expressing to us. It's also the same set of problems that Mark Hurd, our CEO, asked Randy Mott, our CIO, to solve for HP. What we're really trying to do is help you be able to get to a true 24/7, lights out, automated, space and energy efficient data center. And we've invested over the last 4 or 5 years in technologies to enable you to be able to do that, to really move from the more standalone physical assets into a set of pooled, virtualized assets. HP's story is a story of moving from 85 data centers to 6 next generation data centers, more than 6,000 applications to 1,600, taking our IT spending down to 2% of revenue, saving almost $1 billion a year, being able to get 250% more IT compute power but with 40% fewer servers, being able to have twice the storage at a lower cost, and being able to then, as a result of all this, flip the ratio so that instead of 2/3 of our spending going to maintenance and operations, we have 2/3 instead going to innovation. We feel like we can provide to you a very strong set of solutions alongside Oracle, whether you choose to do it yourself, just using our technologies, or you choose to call on us to provide services to you or to manage an outsourced environment for you. To wrap up, I think that it's hard to find 2 companies who together have a stronger portfolio to offer you than HP and Oracle. And when you look at who you want to turn to for the technology to drive better business outcomes, the technology and solutions to help you be able to better manage and then transform your IT environments, that you should clearly look to our 2 companies.